OpenAI just turned Codex into a full-time security researcher. It connects to your GitHub repo, auto-generates a threat model of your entire application, scans every commit for vulnerabilities, produces attack path analysis with ASCII diagrams and codeline references, writes the patch, and opens a pull request to fix it. One click. Continuous monitoring. This is Codex Security, and it just made traditional security audits look like a relic from a different era. So what exactly is Codex Security? It is a new feature inside the Codex platform that acts as an always-on AI security auditor for your codebase. You point it at a GitHub repository, pick a look-back window, anything from 1 week to infinity, and it starts scanning. But this is not just a linter or a static analysis tool. Codex reads your entire codebase, understands the architecture, and builds a threat model from scratch. It identifies authentication boundaries, persistence layers, file system access patterns, third-party dependencies, and admin versus user privilege boundaries. It thinks like an attacker, not a rule engine. And it runs continuously on every new commit, so your security coverage never goes stale. Let me show you the real demo from OpenAI. Watch what happens when they connect a deliberately vulnerable Node.js application to Codex Security. First, it auto-generates a complete threat model. It identifies that the app uses SQLite with user-controlled content that gets rendered into HTML, creating second-order injection risk. It spots that uploaded files are served directly from a public directory. It flags that admin pages consume attacker-influenced data. It maps out every trust boundary in the application. Then the findings start rolling in. 5 high-severity vulnerabilities discovered, unsigned refund link tokens allowing forged refunds, vendor payout endpoints missing authorization checks, delegation tokens accepting unsigned algorithm none tokens, prototype pollution in portal preference merging, and unsigned payment link tokens enabling invoice tampering. Now here is where it gets genuinely impressive. Click into any finding and you get a full attack path analysis. For the unsigned refund tokens vulnerability, Codex maps out the exact attack flow. An attacker sends a post request with a forged base 64 token to the refund endpoint. The handler has no authentication. The unsigned claims are decoded and trusted. Payment events get inserted and invoices get marked as refunded. It gives you the likelihood, medium, because the routes are unauthenticated but external exposure depends on deployment. It gives you the impact, high, because any caller can create refund events and read invoice metadata. Then Codex generates the patch. It introduces MAC SHA-256 token signing with timing-safe comparison, updates the refund link creation to issue signed tokens, and modifies the endpoints to verify signatures before processing. Plus 38 lines added, for removed, syntax check passed. One click to create a pull request. Let me put this in perspective. A professional penetration test for a medium-sized application costs $10,000 to $50,000. It takes 2 to 4 weeks. You get a PDF report. You fix the issues. Then 6 months later, your developers have introduced new vulnerabilities and you need another audit. Codex Security runs continuously. Every commit. Every branch. It generates threat models that update as your code evolves. It does not just find vulnerabilities, it explains the attack path, rates the severity, writes the fix, and opens the PR. The entire security audit lifecycle, from discovery to remediation, automated in minutes instead of weeks. And this is not hypothetical. The demo shows real vulnerabilities being found in real code with real patches that actually fix the problem. Here is the uncomfortable reality for the security industry. Most companies cannot afford regular penetration tests. Most startups ship code with zero security review. Most vulnerabilities get discovered after they are exploited, not before. Codex Security changes that equation completely. If every GitHub repository can have an AI security researcher watching every commit, the baseline security posture of the entire software industry goes up overnight. Bug bounty hunters will need to move faster. Security consultancies will need to add more value than what an AI can deliver in seconds. And developers will finally stop shipping unsigned tokens and missing auth checks because the AI catches it before the PR even merges. This is not replacing security teams. It is giving every development team a security team they never had. That is Codex Security. Continuous AI-powered security scanning with threat modeling, attack path analysis, auto-generated patches, and one-click pull requests. Link to the original demo is in the description. If you are shipping code without automated security review, you are shipping vulnerabilities. Subscribe for daily AI breakdowns. We cover every tool that changes how software gets built. See you in the next one.